Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uyaphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma usamusha-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala location yesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke sekuvele-ke usisi-ke laphana ngihlaziya inkulumo-ke kaJacob Zuma-ke ekhiphile laphana-ke kwirally-ke ye-MK-ke laphana-ke laphana-ke lo sisi-ke ube seyihlaziya-ke waveza-ke okuningi-ke laphana-ke ngingafuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke ukuzwe ngami-ke phela into nje udlala-ke ividiyo yakhe-ke lo sisi uzwele wena ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina ngicela lapha sizwele le video noma-comment section before usho uvo lakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke bese wenza okulungile-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini usubscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke leli khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ngaphuthi indaba ezinje manje ngakucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke le awuyithokozele.
So guys, I just finished watching the first anniversary of the MKP, and one thing I've realized about Bam Nxumalo is that of all the old leaders, the veteran leaders of the ANC, is the one who's willing to fight for black people, Papa Pompey. But the question is, why is he fighting now? Why didn't he fight that time when he was a president? As he said in his speech, is that he was taking instructions I implement yonke into. And another thing that I've realized about Subaba Nxumalo is that uthanda ukusebenzisa ingathekiso kakhulu phecelezi metaphors to those who don't know Zulu. He likes using metaphors a lot whenever he's talking. So if you don't know Zulu, you won't really get him. But this is the summary that I can give you regarding his speech. Obviously, he spoke about his history, his political journey, to how he ended up being rejected, betrayed, crimes and all of those things. Another thing that he spoke about Amamboka, which was referring to the ANC and the GNU, that the ANC has sold the revolution to the GNU, which is also the DA as well. He spoke about the way we are not angry enough as black people, that we don't want to fight to a point that abantu besifazane, in the olden days they would fight to a point of removing it, but these days we don't fight to that level. We just find the way we are so defeated. That is why he's here to reignite that fire in us. He still spoke about the voting drums, that we still need the drums to vote and that they're so important. And he's also clarified the issue of the monarchy, that he's not saying that traditional leaders are going to go to parliament. They're going to rule in their villages or clans, whatever the case may be. He's not saying that they should go to parliament. Also spoke about the death penalty and that it should come back, especially for murderers. And he also made an example about the olden days, about witches. With witches in the olden days, they also used to be prosecuted. So he spoke about the importance of bringing back the death penalty. And then he also invited all political parties to unite so that they can find solutions and find solutions to all this problem, and said that the media also needs to report about the misery of a black man instead of just focusing on the white people only. So yeah, so this is the update, guys. If there's anything I didn't add, please add on the comment section. If you want to say something, you can also say that on the comment section. Until next time.